Okay, so I had to record this. Sorry. It's cold. Pretty cool. Wow. It's too fucking cool. Check it. Pretty. Wow.
I don't know why they're putting fireworks off.
Hey, free show, right? I'm like, I gotta go get my phone. Catch this shit on camera. Yeah, I was like, what is the day? Is it a special day or something?
I don't know. Happy Sunday.
Creative Sunday.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Wow. Yay. Yay. It's pretty cool. So I missed the first of the display, but
Oh, this is pretty awesome.
yeah. It's kind of cold out here with the snow.
Yeah.
With the snowing going on. Pretty cool. Wow. Okay, so we have no idea what special day it is or anything like that, but they're setting off fireworks, so we're recording it because, heck, you just don't get to watch them every night. I mean, this just doesn't happen every day, right?
I don't think so.
We are outside in the snow, in a hot tub, and we're watching fireworks.
Right? Right next to a ski hill. Right next to the, yeah. Fun stuff, man. This is like penthouse private show or some shit.
That's how I feel. I feel like we're all rich.
Yeah, like we're all special, huh? Yeah.
That one was... That's private.
Hey, it's already been going for 4 minutes.
It's already what?
Been going 4 minutes, that's not bad. It's like spare no expense. Yeah. So cool.
Must be like a finale.
So, I guess this is a happy holiday thing. This might be the finale. a war going on out there. Hey, Randy's gonna be like, that's what I saw in my dream.
Did he have a dream like that or something?
Okay, I think it's over. All right, thanks for watching. Love you all.